Hello friends, so let us start the meet. I would like to start with a small कविता. वो कहते हैं ना, मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है. सिर्फ पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों में उड़ान होती है. यही हौसले ही तो है जो हमें आगे तक ले जाते हैं. Let me welcome you all. I, Sapna Sharma, Director of Home Bakers Club. I am so thrilled and happy to welcome you all here to Home Bakers Club family. Let me introduce myself. I am basically a graphic and website designer by profession, and not wrong to say that color fascinates me. I am a proud mother of two lovely kids and wifey of a handsome hubby who's also RTO and Deputy Commissioner of Transport Department, Rajasthan. I prefer living in colors, and technology is what fascinates me. That got me into web and graphic designing. Started my career as a graphic designer, and soon I was creative head of a next gen company at Hyderabad. Started my own company with my partner Jay Bhadra, visionstudio.com at Hyderabad, and then taken a break after marriage to spend quality time with my family and kids. But वो कहते हैं ना, रंगों से अपना नाता है. हाँ, तो बच्चों के सपनों के साथ कुछ रंग और जुड़ गए. I launched Maya.com, which is into graphic and animation. कहते हैं ना, समय हमेशा कुछ नया सिखाता है. There came HBC in existence, which focus on empowering the cooking talents, and our sole intent is to provide healthy and fresh food to customers and promote home-based business. Let me talk about our business model. We are a brand of Digital Web Services Private Limited. Our key entities are our city partners, our home chef, our delivery partners, and customers. We aim at creating lucrative business opportunities and earn more client base and revenue. We have planned and executed many things to be in proper place. My team now will speak on different aspects of Home Bakers Club. Let me welcome our development team to give an introduction about themselves. All of you, please mute yourself. Let our development team give an introduction about themselves and speak.
Yeah, hi everyone. So we are the development team at Home Bakers Club. Okay. So we have been associated with this amazing project, and being a part of it, we are very blessed. So we are providing something very unique. All right, so this platform that we are developing right now, it is very much user friendly, very much interactive, and we are very much into making a bigger platform wherein we will be introducing AI-based interactions, wherein people can actually order directly via WhatsApp, and there will be a chatbot implementation also, and as well as the registration process that is there, like for the persons, like the customers, like the people, for us normal people, the registration process is easy. Finding their favorite items are easy, and registering and enlisting the products are very easy. It's a very user friendly platform that we are going for. Now, as I told you, that we are planning to grow it. We are planning to grow it in such a way that it will be having a very good app base, and it will be very much free and friendly on the phone. When people are using it on their phone, it won't be lagging. So we are planning on doing all these things. So this is the whole thing in a gist, and we are really into developing a better platform and better exposure, so that this club can actually help a lot of people out here. Yeah, thanks.
Yes, our development team well said that what our future plans are. Right now, there is a website, and soon the app will be launched. And we are focusing more on review-based system. The better the reviews, better the sales, and also artificial intelligence is going to really help us in get more sales. And now I invite our SEO expert to speak, give an introduction about themselves and discuss the strategies and about the plans, how SEO is going to help and get more business for us and gain more. Yeah, sure.
Thank you, Swapna. Abhishek,
Yes, Abhishek.
here. Yes, I'm the SEO head in HBC. To be, introducing our team, or myself, we're actually doing search engine optimization for Home Bakers Club. The idea and vision of Home Bakers Club is, connecting the, all over India. I mean, chefs all over India, and also the customers. So the main idea of HPC is this, and we are planning very hard to, go inch by inch on every area throughout India. So the current plan for HPC is now the completely, reaching all the chefs around location by location, as you know. So we are almost covering up with, North and South India. We are about to go to East as well. So we are, working hard to, reach every part of India as well, and metro cities. Yeah.
Yes, great, Venkatesh. Search engine optimization will really help to get better Google ranking. वो बोलते हैं ना, जैसे गूगल पे सर्च किया, पहला 4 रिजल्ट्स आता है, that is more useful. हम उन्हीं को क्लिक करते हैं, वहीं पर जाते हैं और वहीं देखते हैं. We are all are aware of Google uncle. कुछ भी जरूरत रही, गए गूगल पे सर्च किया and we go and buy there. So that is our.
Yes, sorry to interrupt. Any customers who, who are in need of, home food, or, home cakes, which are made in, mainly in homemade foods, they directly come and search on Google. So there is no other platform for our customers where they can actually come and reach our chefs. So main connecting these both is the biggest challenge in, population of 140 crores in India. So we are trying very hard to, make HBC to bring it on top. So yeah, this is pretty much suffices what we are doing.
Yeah, great, Abhishek. Now I would like to invite my partner Jay Bhatra to talk about HPC. Hi, Jay.
Hi, everyone. Hope my audio is clear.
Yeah, you're audible.
I think Home Bakers Club is one of the unique products now in India. I think throughout the world. Even recently, I got inquiries outside of India also. They were asking whether it's available in Australia also.
Yeah.
I think this is a great platform, and here it's an opportunity for all the home bakers, basically, not just home bakers. There are opportunities to others also, like who can't bake, but they can get business for themselves.
That is true.
It's unique opportunity for everyone. I hope everyone utilize it and make a good business out of it.
That's true, Jay. That's true. We are going to make a great team, I'm sure, and we are going to do wonders, I'm very sure. Now I invite our content writer, Uma Dhaga, to come forward and speak, give her introduction, and she's associated from start of the project, from the baby idea. So I invite her to introduce herself. You're not audible, Uma. Hello? Uma, you're not audible.
Am I audible now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi, everybody. My name is Uma Daga, and I'm a content developer and freelance editor as well. And since the initiation of this project, I have been alongside Swapna ji and understanding her concepts and how well she has framed the entire platform. So I must congratulate you all for being a part of this wonderful journey that is just about to start. And the one thing I would like to say today is that whatever we are doing from our homes, there's only one way of getting it across to the people who are watching you online. That is good content. So with your videos, whatever you all are publishing, even your video is a content. Otherwise, what you are doing inside your kitchen, or how you are preparing a particular meal, or how you are trying to transfer the technology to other people through classes or maybe your products, that can only go forth if you provide good content. So your videos have to be very, very crisp. very finely edited and short. Because nowadays people, they have so much content to look at. They only want very good and sharp content to mingle with. Your
That's
recipe should be very direct. It should be absolutely to the point and accurate. There should be no plagiarism in it, because these things will not make you very friendly with Google. Apart from that, we would also like to have your experiences with your customers, because that will go in the blog section of Home Bakers Club. So how you are dealing with your customers, what experiences you had, what are the problems you are facing, how happy they were to receive the products that you have created anywhere from India, and how they have got it on their birthdays, anniversaries, other special occasions. All this will add to the live and real experiences. And this will go a long way in adding a lot, many more clients and customers that will increase your visibility. So whatever you are doing as a chef or a home baker, that has to come forth in the form of content. So please do not hesitate in writing down what you want to publish. In case you have any problems with your content ideas, you can reach out to Swapna ji. We have a very solid content writing team and we will help you script it. So do not worry, just go on writing what you want to share, and this will help all of us grow together. Thank you.
Thanks, Umaji. You are very right. Contents makes a difference and good impact on the customers. When they come to a page, they read about the product, they read about the vendor, and that is surely going to make a difference. Now, I would like to our social media manager, our social media team, to give the introduction and share the strategies and give some tips to all our vendors and city partners. Yeah, please come forward and give your introduction.
Yeah. Hi everyone, I am Suvankar Chakraborty, the social media optimizer. So social media optimization is a very important thing for a new brand, because Home Bakers Club is very new brand. They are not the reach like the other brands who are present in the business. So we need to know the people who is Home Bakers Clubs. So for that purpose, we need the social media optimization. We promote our Home Bakers Clubs in Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, so that people can know who are Home Bakers Clubs and what is their businesses, how they can help them, and the business will come from them, from these social medias. And people will know the Home Bakers Clubs. They will interact with the Home Bakers Clubs websites, and from there the engagement will increase, and people start to know. From there we can target the interested customer who are taking interest in the Home Bakers Clubs. In this way we can increase the engagement, and by engagement we can increase the sale, and the important thing that can be benefited for the Home Bakers Clubs. That is the strategy for the social media optimization. It can be helpful for the Home Bakers Clubs also.
Yeah, very true. What Shubhankar said is very true. Nowadays, what we do is we go to Facebook, we go to Twitter, we go to Insta, and that is what the trend is today. So we go to social media to look for anything. We go to Google for search for anything. Being a new brand, first important and foremost thing is that establishing ourselves, creating a credibility in the market. That is what we need to do in social media, making a presence of ourselves, and of course, second target would be customers. So now I would invite our legal team, Jay sir, to come forward. Jay Kunwani sir, please come forward and discuss about the legalities and give a short introduction of yourself. Yes, sir. Please welcome. I welcome you. Sir, you're not audible.
Right now?
Yeah, it's clear.
Hello everyone, I'm Jay Kundwani. By profession, I'm company secretary. I'm having a 10 or 11 years experience. And now in terms of, in a very short brief in pattern, I will tell the things that how the HBC cooperated and their legality. Actually, my partner is also want to join this meeting, but he was chartered and but he is engulfed in the some assignment. Therefore, I am joining this. Now, the HBC is basically we created a Digi Web one OPC company. In this, we have created a site with the brand HBC Home Baker Clubs, and for safeguard this Home Baker Clubs, we also applied for the trademark, which is are under process. Okay, and our and other legalities regarding tax liabilities and GST, we are dealing with them, and we are taking a best step for them. And if anybody want any question, ask any question, then you may ask it. This is
Yeah,
the basic the process.
Yeah, most of the queries which our vendors have, you are registered home chef, you are not, they have queries regarding going for food registration, which I explained them that it is very simple. Either they can apply directly on the government website, or we do have a legal team who is going to help them to get the things done.
Of
So,
course.
yes, sir. So we do have legal team, and whenever anyone register here, either as a city partner or a home chef, they are bound with the terms and agreements of the company. I request all of you to open the document, have a look at it. So that will give you more idea about us, about the legalities, about your roles and responsibilities. After the meeting, I request each and everyone to go through the terms and conditions of the website of the company. And if any queries, anything related to registration, you can always ask us. Our legal team is there to help us. Jaisar is there, Mukesh is there. Any questions, anyone regarding the legalities?
Although everything is already clearly presented in the website, we have prepared a few agreements that is called terms and conditions between the city partners and company and the customers, and everything is provided in very brief detail in agreements. You may go through there, and anytime if you have any question regarding that, we can discuss that.
Sure. So we do have Suman Ghorai here, who is closely associated with our development part, and he's a very experienced developer. And from the start, he is with us in planning, execution, and everything. So Suman, would you like to say a few words? You're not audible, Suman. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Yes, Suman, you're not audible. And one more thing, if the meeting gets disconnected, there is one more link in the bottom of the same link I have shared. Just to click on that and you can reconnect. I think Suman is not there. So let me invite Richa Thakur. She is also one of our content writer and very much interested in writing about our products and everything. So Richa, she is from Shimla, right? Yeah. Richa, please give your introduction.
Okay.
Yeah, hi Richa, you're not audible.
Again. Hello.
Yeah, now we can hear you.
Hello. Hi. Yeah.
Yeah,
Hi.
hi.
Hi to everyone. And first of all, congratulations to everyone. To like we all are in the. Excuse me. We all the part of HBC, and that is like we are working on it to make it a #1 platform for home bakers and #1 food delivery. For food delivery, and as a content writer, I believe that yeah, as a content writer, I believe that for any website, content is the most important thing, because first of all, when we go to even a layman customer, when he or she goes to random website, the first things he looks for is the content, like how the website content is showing to him or her, and the second thing is photographs. So for me, making the content more creative and more engaging is my part of thing. And I think the content must be creative from one thing, and it must be genuine, and it must be personalized. So I was working on the making profiles of home bakers, city partners, and the Swapna ma'am told me that you just call them first and talk to them about themselves and their profiles. That's what I liked so much, because I personally called everyone about being whoever was city partner for HBC, and even chefs and bakers. And I just asked about them, their personal experiences about HBC, and um, about their working area, and how they are going to lift it up. So that is something that we believe in HBC, that making it very personal to everyone, so that they can say, yeah, we are part of HBC, and making the content very creative. So I also, appeal to everyone who's like chefs in HBC or who are city partners in HBC. And if you think that they can have some creative content in their recipes, and they can add some taglines or something like that, then they must share with us, so that we can add it to website, and we can make it more creative, and like more genuine to people. Like people come there and they feel that yeah, this is our website, and this is something we all are very connected, we may feel connected. We must not feel like that this is something which is very different for us. So this is
Yeah,
my duty. Yes, that is it.
very right,
I
teacher.
like.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah, you want to continue?
No, nothing like that.
Yeah, what
Yeah,
Richa
no,
is
I
trying
like.
to say is very right. We need to add some, we need to write details about a product. For example, if you are uh, preparing a cake, so if you mention the
Yeah,
ingredients, people will be more than happy. For example, if it is a
yeah,
vegan cake, if you mention that this is a vegan cake, these are the ingredients used, customer would be more than happy. And if you write something
yeah,
creative words for that, people would love to buy that. एंड आपका इंट्रोडक्शन अगर वहां हो कि आप कौन हो, आप कहाँ से हो, why cooking you
hmm,
love very much, if introduction is there, that makes a difference. That is what she is trying to say. And English तो अपनी जगह है ही, पर हिंदी की जब बात आती है तो उसमें जो मजा है उसकी बात ही कुछ और है. So we do have one more content writer here, Yogita here. I invite her to give her introduction. I got to know her few days back only, and हिंदी की मधुरता मुझे बहुत पसंद है. So I invite her and I ask her to give her introduction. Please, Yogita, come forward.
वेरी गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन. फर्स्टली आई वुड लाइक टू से कि हिंदी की बात हुई है तो मैं हिंदी में ही बात करूंगी. बेसिकली आई एम बॉर्न एंड बॉट अप कानपुर. मेरा जन्म कानपुर का है. मेरा ग्रेजुएशन डीएवी कॉलेज से हुआ है, जिस कॉलेज से हमारे पूर्व प्रधानमंत्री श्री स्वर्गीय श्री अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी वहाँ के स्टूडेंट थे, श्री प्रकाश जायसवाल वहाँ के स्टूडेंट थे. सो अगर मैं कानपुर की बात करूँ तो कानपुर इज अ रिच विथ इन टर्म्स ऑफ हिंदी लैंग्वेज, क्योंकि वहाँ पे अवधी बोली जाती है. अगर हमें पता होगा तो अवधी जो ओरिजिन है वो मोइन हिंदी का बेस है. अगर आप बिहार में जाते हैं तो पीपल स्पीक मगधी, मगध लैंग्वेज. सो कानपुर एक ऐसा प्लेस है जहाँ पे शुद्ध हिंदी का यूज होता है. दूसरी चीज मैं आपको ये बताना चाहूंगी कि अगर मैं अपने प्रोफाइलिंग की बात करूँ तो मैं वैसे बीएससी मैथ्स स्टूडेंट हूँ और एमबीए मैंने मार्केटिंग में किया है. ये बात अलग है कि मैंने अपना प्रोफेशन एज ए इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकर, प्राइवेट वेल्थ मैनेजर की तरह किया है. बट व्हेन आई वाज ओवर देयर, जब मैं अपने स्कूल और कॉलेज में थी, यूनिवर्सिटी रिप्रेजेंट करती थी इन टर्म्स ऑफ हिंदी कंटेंट राइटिंग. मैंने बहुत सारे आर्टिकल्स दैनिक जागरण, आज, अमर उजाला में भी आए हुए हैं. मैंने बहुत सारी चीजों की टैगलाइन प्रोवाइड की है. मैं वहाँ की डिबेटर हुआ करती थी, स्पीकर हुआ करती थी. आई रिकॉग्नाइज बाय सो मेनी बिग मिनिस्टर्स एंड ऑल दैट. लेकिन वो मेरा प्रोफेशन नहीं था. मैं एक हॉकी प्लेयर हूँ, डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल हॉकी प्लेयर हूँ, एक स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन भी हूँ, रिले रेस रनर हूँ, एथलीट थी, योगा थी, नेवी ड्रिल में थी. तो सो आई वोन टोटल 36-37 प्राइजेस along with the certificate in different. गायत्री विद्यापीठ का अगर आपने नाम सुना होगा तो they are organizing such kind of exam, we can say संस्कृत ज्ञान परीक्षा. तो मैंने पूरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट पे 4th नंबर स्कोर किया था. लेकिन हाँ, जब से मैं 2009 से पुणे में आई हूँ और मुंबई में हूँ, तब से मैं एज अ इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकर हूँ. लेकिन राइटिंग मेरा हमेशा पैशन रहा है और मैं हिंदी की पोएम और हिंदी की कंटेंट्स ही लिखती हूँ. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि मैं मैम से अभी मिल पाई हूँ. और जैसे ही पता चला कि वो एक कंटेंट राइटर ढूंढ रही थी तो मैंने कहा योगिता, यही मौका है अपने पैशन को फिर से जीने के लिए. मैं क्या मानती हूँ बीइंग अ मार्केटिंग पर्सन ऑल्सो, और जब मैं कंटेंट कि वट एवर वी आर डिलीवरिंग ना, इट शुड बी कन्वे टू अवर पर्सन, मतलब आपका डेलेस्ट फेलो भी आपकी फीलिंग्स को समझना चाहिए। तो हम जब किसी भी ब्रांड को प्रमोट करते हैं तो हमारा कंटेंट ऐसा होना चाहिए ना कि लोगों को हिट कर जाए। आपको पता होना चाहिए कि पूरे इंडिया में 30% लोग बोलते हैं हिंदी, लेकिन अगर हम अंडरस्टैंडिंग की बात करें तो उसका प्रोपोर्शनेट और रेशियो उससे ज्यादा है। आप और बात छोड़ दीजिए, हम हिंदी में रहकर हिंदी के बारे में नहीं जानते हैं। आप अभी एम्स्टरडेम चले जाइए, आप थाईलैंड चले जाइए, आप दुबई चले जाइए, दे यूज टू स्पीक इन हिंदी। वो अपने क्लाइंट को अट्रैक्ट करने के लिए हिंदी में बुलाते हैं। आई विजिटेड ओवर देयर पर्सनली। सो मुझे फील आया कि हिंदी का टच एक ऐसा एसेंस है कि आप आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं। अगर हम अपने मार्केटिंग की बात करें, हमारे इंडिया के टॉप मोस्ट ब्रांड दे आर यूजिंग टैगलाइन इन हिंदी। हीरो मोटोकॉर्प,
That's true. Yeah.
पेप्सी, देयर इज सो मेनी थिंग्स। इवन देन अभी उबर ने खाने का स्टार्ट किया है, तो अगर आपने भी देखा, दे आर यूजिंग दैट वर्ड, टैगलाइन इज इंग्लिश, हिंदी और इंग्लिश का कॉम्बिनेशन।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
सो
That is
दैट
what our
टैगलाइन,
language
हाँ,
is.
करेक्ट करेक्ट। सो
So
मुझे
that
ऐसा
is,
लगता है, हाँ, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि डेफिनेटली वी आर अ पार्ट ऑफ सर्विस इंडस्ट्री, बट इन सर्विस इंडस्ट्री वी आर गोइंग टू प्रोवाइड प्रोडक्ट, दैट इज अ फूड प्रोडक्ट। सो हमारी दोनों चीजों को ध्यान में रखते हुए हमारे वर्ड्स, हमारी टैगलाइन या कंटेंट ऐसा होना चाहिए ना कि उसको जो देखे उसके दिमाग में याद रहे कि ये
बिल्कुल
इस कंपनी को बिलोंग करता है।
बिल्कुल
थैंक यू।
बिल्कुल। दैट इज व्हाट वी आर प्लानिंग कि जो जो कंटेंट इंग्लिश में लिख रहे हैं सेम हैज टू बी रिटर्न इन हिंदी ऑल्सो। अगर हम ऑटो कन्वर्टर पे डालते हैं तो कुछ अर्थ का अनर्थ ही बन जाता है। तो वी आर
करेक्ट।
फोकसिंग दैट कि जो भी लिखा है इंग्लिश में वी कन्वर्ट इट टू हिंदी एज वेल। अब हमारी हैदराबादी हिंदी भी कुछ कम नहीं है, वैसे तो कानपुर की क्या बात करें। So now I would like all our city partners to come forward and give their introduction. I invite Sunanda Sharma to come forward and speak about herself.
Hi everyone, I'm Sunanda Sharma from Faridabad, basically city partner for Delhi NCR, and I've done BSc in fashion designing, and अब मैं यहाँ लैंड कर रही होम बेकर्स क्लब के वहाँ पे, एंड उसके पहले मैंने जॉब करी है लग्जरी ब्रांड्स में। आई एम अ प्राउड मदर ऑफ 2 किड्स ऑल्सो। बहुत लाइफ का ऊपर नीचे का ग्राफ रहा है, बट ट्राइंग टू डू समथिंग और दी अदर। और एज अ हाउसवाइफ ऐसे लगता है कुछ कुछ करते रहना चाहिए, मन लगा हुआ रहता है। एंड सिंस चाइल्डहुड व्हेन आई वाज 6 years old, फर्स्ट टाइम मैंने कुकिंग की थी। छोटे बच्चे इतनी जल्दी करते नहीं है, बट मैंने गैस पे कुकिंग की थी, एंड गुस्सा भी आया था मम्मी लोगों को, बट की, बिकॉज कुकिंग मेरा बचपन से पैशन रहा है। मुझे बचपन में कोई ऐसे बोलता था कि अच्छा ये खा लो, तो मुझे सादा खाना भी होता है, उसमें कुछ तड़का दे दो या कुछ अच्छा पैशनेट उसको बना के प्रेजेंट करो। तो आई एम वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ कुकिंग, एंड दिस इज द प्लेटफॉर्म एंड सपना स्पोक टू मी। तो मुझे लगा नहीं, ये मेरे इंटरेस्ट की चीज है एंड आई कैन डू दिस। हालांकि अभी मेरे बच्चे छोटे हैं, तो मैं एज अ होम बेकर या होम शेफ खुद नहीं करना चाह रही, रीजन बीइंग आई डोंट हैव हैंड्स इन डूइंग इट। तो मैंने सोचा चलो सिटी पार्टनर, थोड़ा सा ड्रीम कहीं ना कहीं से तो पूरा हो ही जाएगा। ये चीज एक पैशनेट चीज है। एंड हाँ, प्लस मेरी जो दिल्ली एनसीआर की अभी तक की टीम है, बहुत चुन चुन के उठा रहे हैं हम उनको, एंड दे आर वेरी टैलेंटेड, एंड हम उनको रेगुलरली मोटिवेट भी करते रहते हैं। उनकी जो क्वेरीज होती है वो सॉल्व करते रहते हैं। वो कभी कभी परेशान भी होते हैं, हाउ आर वी गोइंग टू हैंडल थिंग्स। तो हम उनको उस चीज में भी गाइडेंस दे रहे हैं ताकि वो घबराए नहीं और आगे आने से रुके नहीं। बिकॉज कई बार होता है लेडीज को बढ़ावा नहीं मिल पाता, जो वो करना चाहती हैं उसमें कभी ना कुछ लाइफ की प्रॉब्लम्स आ जाती हैं, फैमिली इश्यूज आ जाते हैं या जो भी है, बट दे आर नॉट एबल टू डू इट। सो एज अ वुमेन, मतलब हमारा फर्ज बनता है कि उनको हम प्रोत्साहन दे कि आप ये सब कर सकते हैं, एंड ये आपके इंटरेस्ट की चीज है। जब आप अपने सर्कल में कर रहे हैं, तो ऑल ओवर द सिटी के क्लाइंट्स को भी आप हैंडल कर सकते हो। आप बाहर जाके भी कुछ कर सकते हो, नॉट ओनली इनटू योर सोसाइटी और इन योर फ्रेंड सर्कल आप लिमिटेड हो। आपका एरिया ग्रो कर रहा है, आपका बिजनेस ग्रो कर रहा है, आपकी पॉपुलैरिटी भी बढ़ेगी उससे, एंड आपका कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल एज अ वुमेन जो बढ़ेगा वो अलग होता है। So yeah, and I'm very happy to be on this platform and hope we make a mark in our industry. So all the best everyone and take care.
या वेरी ट्रू सुनंदा, दैट वी वांट टू डू समथिंग बट क्या वो नहीं समझ में आता। तो ये प्लेटफॉर्म इसीलिए है कि हम कुछ घर बैठे करें। अगर हम पहले से कुछ करते हैं तो उसे और स्केल करें, उसका रीचेबिलिटी बढ़ाएं। वी फोकस मोर ऑन पार्टी ऑर्डर्स एंड वी फोकस मोर ऑन कॉम्बोज, वी फोकस मोर ऑन गिफ्ट हैम्पर्स, और एग्जिस्टिंग बिजनेस को हम और बढ़ाएं। And now I invite Manisha Sharma to come forward and give her introduction.
हेलो एवरीवन, मैं मनीषा शर्मा हैदराबाद से। बेसिकली मैं एक वेब डिज़ाइनर हूँ और पेंटिंग एंड डांसिंग मेरी हॉबी है और कुकिंग मेरा पैशन है। बस इसीलिए मैं होम बेकर्स क्लब के साथ जुड़ी हूँ और एज अ सिटी पार्टनर एंड होम शेफ ऑल्सो। ये एक ऐसा पहला एकमात्र प्लेटफॉर्म है जो होम शेफ्स एंड हाउस वाइफ्स जो कुकिंग में इंटरेस्टेड है या उनका पैशन है, जिन्हें मौका नहीं मिलता है कुछ करने का, आगे बढ़ने का, उनके लिए एक जरिया है, माध्यम है जिससे वो आगे बढ़ सकती हैं। और मे भी इससे सोसाइटी में भी बहुत अच्छा बदलाव आएगा। और कहते हैं ना, माँ के हाथ में जादू होता है, बस वही जादू स्वाद और हेल्दी फूड है जो हम चाहते हैं कि घर घर तक पहुंचे। और आज सभी से मिलकर मुझे ऐसा लगा कि अब ये चीज बहुत दूर नहीं है, अब बिल्कुल हम ऐसा करेंगे सभी के साथ मिलकर। थैंक यू।
मनीषा, थैंक्स फॉर ऑल द इंस्पायरिंग वर्ड्स। बिल्कुल सही कहा, मिलकर बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं। अभी तो ये शुरुआत है, आज मीटिंग में 30 मेंबर्स हैं। आई एम श्योर नेक्स्ट इट विल बी 300, then 3,000 and 3 lakhs we are going to hit. And now I invite Shalini Khandelwal to come forward and give you an introduction. Hi Shalini. Shalini? I think
Hello everyone, I'm audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
तो मेरा हो गया ना, अब मैं सुन रही हूँ।
Hello, myself Shalini Khandelwal. I'm glad to share that I am city partner of HBC of Jaipur and professional से मैं teacher हूँ since 2010 से मैं teaching करती हूँ। I'm on and right now I'm owner of Shalini Creation and cooking मेरा passion है क्योंकि मेरे बच्चों को different खाना बहुत पसंद है और उन्हें शुरू से ही है कि मम्मा कुछ different बनाओ। इस तरह से उन्हें शुरू से ही रहा कि कुछ ना कुछ मम्मा बनाते रहे। तो जब मैंने HBC का देखा, होम शेफ का, जब मैं स्वर्णा मैम से मेरी बात हुई तो मुझे खुद को भी लगा कि एज ए होम शेफ और एज ए सिटी पार्टनर मैं HBC के थ्रू बहुत कुछ कर सकती हूँ और मैं जयपुर में जो होम शेफ्स हैं उन्हें एक अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म देके उन्हें आगे बढ़ाने में मैं HBC के साथ पूरा मेरा सपोर्ट रहेगा। Thank you.
Great, Shalini. We are going to grow together. And one, I have a good news for all of you, for all the city partners. Currently, you were the city partners. Now we are making the format in such a way that you will be the city partner of a state, not Jaipur, but Rajasthan.
Oh, thank you.
So now I invite Rakhi to come forward and give your introduction.
Hello friends. I am from Rakhi. I am from Hyderabad, Telangana. मैं एक हाउसवाइफ हूँ। अभी मैंने ग्रेजुएशन किया है बीकॉम। मैंने स्टार्टिंग में जॉब की थी अकाउंट्स की, उसके बाद मैंने 2-3 और बिजनेस भी किए थे। फिर मुझे कुकिंग में भी बहुत इंटरेस्ट है। जब सपना जी ने मुझे बोला कि ऐसा एक प्लेटफॉर्म है, तब मुझे लगा कि बेस्ट प्लेटफॉर्म है हाउसवाइफ्स के लिए, क्योंकि बहुत सारी हाउसवाइफ्स है जो कुछ ना कुछ करना चाहती है। मुझे पता है कि बहुत सारी लेडीज है जो आगे आना चाहती है, अपना कुकिंग का टैलेंट बताना चाहती है। तो लोगों को, लेडीज को एटलीस्ट प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं मिलता कहीं पर भी, वो सिर्फ घर में रह के काम करके ही वो हो जाती है। उनके लिए एक बेस्ट प्लेटफॉर्म है ये होम लेडीज के लिए, जो अच्छा कुक बनाती है, बेकिंग करती है, बस उनको आगे आने की जरूरत है। तो ये एक बेस्ट प्लेटफॉर्म है और हर स्टेट में एक अलग अलग तरह के खाने बनते हैं। इंडिया इज ए बहुत ही स्वाद वाला देश है। हमारे यहाँ पे हर स्टेट का एक डिफरेंट टेस्ट है। तो मुझे लगता है ये बहुत ही अच्छा है होम बेकर्स लेडीज के लिए, खासकर जो आगे कुछ करना चाहती है उनके लिए।
बिल्कुल सही कहा राखी जी आपने कि भारत में जो स्वाद है वो कहीं नहीं। and soon it will be going to be a food leader. अभी भी आपको हमारा जो हल्दी वाला दूध है, आज सब बोलते हैं कि हल्दी का दूध लो, ये तो हमारे संस्कारों में है जो हम जानते हैं. Now I invite our home chefs to come forward and give their introduction. I invite Seema ji to speak about herself. She is a very good baker. Yes, Seema ji.
Hello everybody, I'm Seema Sudani. My brand name is Chocolicious and I'm from Kolkata. I'm married since 28 years. Before my marriage, I was in North Karnataka and I was a teacher initially. Just due to my knee ailment, I stopped my profession as a teacher as I couldn't stand a lot. Then I started my work since 12 years with homemade chocolates, brownies, cookies, and my USP was with chocolate bouquets with dry flowers. We used to make chocolate bouquets with dry flowers. Then later on, I came up with the basic cake classes, chocolate classes and all. I used to take a lot of classes moving around also in India. Then I started with cakes later on. So now it's like as if I've stopped making the other things, but it's totally more of a cake. So after shifting to New Town, Rajarhat, Kolkata area, I'm totally into baking and all and conducting online classes and also offline classes. We have served a lot of brands also and corporates also like GKB Opticals, Inland Transport. All the jewelers are our customers like Mahavir Gold, Anjali Jewelers, Malabar Gold and Diamonds. We have served other jewelers also like Senco Jewelers in Kolkata. Many more Bharat Overseas Bank, they are still our good customers. So, but now I'm finding that during the pandemic, corporates orders have stopped a bit. So I'm finding Home Baker Chef Club as a good platform for me to grow more and hope this business of my cakes and all will grow more once I'm involved with the Home Bakers Club. And thanks to Sapna ji and Shraddha ji from Kolkata for introducing me to here. So thank you so much. All the best, all my dear friends. Let's move together to a bright future. Thank you.
Great, Seema ji. Like your experience and enthusiasm is always going to guide us. And yes, Shraddha ji, she is so much interested and so much experience that she always keeps guiding. She is not well now. And what about like is it kind of barter system कि आपने यहाँ से cookies भेजी, उन्होंने बोला कि भाई मलबार गोल्ड वाले ने we are going to send the same quantity of gold for you. So it is like kind of gold coins कि भाई हमारा जो एक cookies है वो gold coin से कम है नहीं. So delicacies of like our delicacies are special. So now I invite Pooja.
I'm a bit inactive right now because I am in Bangalore, have come to settle both my sons for the job recruitment.
Okay.
So once I reach Kolkata next week, I'll be active.
Great, ma'am, great. However, we are promising sales from September because once our forge is ready, then only we can focus more on sales. That is what we are trying to do now. And now I ask, may I request Rajni to talk about herself. Rajni Dalmia.
Hello everyone, I'm Rajni from Bangalore. And me and Sapna Didi are connected from Kagasnagar actually.
True.
Born and brought up in Kagasnagar. Completed our 10th. I'm a BCom graduate. I'm an MBA in finance. But a very happy housewife because always my husband dreamt of a wife who can be at home and welcome him happily without any burden, and I accept it wholeheartedly. I am a mother of 2 boys. My husband is working with Amazon and now my kids are little grown up, so my dreams have started growing big even. And I'm here basically because of Sapna Didi, because she noticed my work majorly on Facebook and my status. She's always been appreciating my homemade dishes. I'm basically into homemade sweets and bakes. Majorly my friends and relatives pushed me into this because all of them tasted and they were like, it's not for home. People need to taste this. It should go outside the house. That made me think actually I can do something. So I'm just wishing Home Baker Chef, this platform is such a good collaboration and will definitely yield fruitful results. And wish all of us a very good luck.
Very true, रजनी. अब ये सोचो कि अब हम कभी ट्रिप पर कहीं जाएंगे, we have our home bakers club everywhere, we can order from there. कि हाँ भाई आज चलो रजनी के हाथ के लड्डू हो जाए. Why not? So that is the benefit we are going to get in future also. Now I would request Anshu Singhal to talk about herself. अपने बारे में बताइए अंशु. Hello Anshu.
Hello. Good evening,
Hi.
all home bakers. Good evening, all home bakers from HBC members.
Hi.
I am Anshu Singhal from Faridabad. और I am very happy to join Home Bakers Group. एंड जैसे कि मतलब जब से सुनंदा ने ऐड किया है बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, मतलब फील आ रहा है कि हाँ कुछ कर सकते हैं. इसको करते तो पहले भी थे, बट इसको कैसे आपने एक प्लेटफॉर्म दिया है उन लेडीज को जो घर पे करती हैं अपना टैलेंट और ज्यादा दिखाने के लिए. उनके पास एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिल गया है. अब मतलब जो चीज हम करते थे वो कहीं ना कहीं आसपास ही होके रह जाती थी, अब हो सकता है हम इसे बढ़ा सकते हैं.
बिल्कुल
और
बिल्कुल.
मुझे काफी टाइम से मतलब क्या बहुत बचपन से ही शौक है कुकिंग का, और काफी, और मैं दूसरे स्टेट्स में भी रही हूँ तो मुझे वहां का खाना खाती बाद में हूँ, पहले उसके अंदर क्या पड़ा है क्या नहीं पड़ा है उसको पूरा मुझे, मैं एक्चुअली नागपुर में 12-13 साल रही हूँ, 12 इयर्स 13 इयर्स महाराष्ट्र में, तो मैं वहां के खाने से भी बहुत ज्यादा रिलेट, मतलब बहुत पसंद है मुझे, बहुत कुछ सीखा वहां रह के. तो सारी चीजों को लगा कि जब इतना शौक है तो क्यों ना इसे एक प्लेटफॉर्म बनाया जाए, इसे हॉबी को क्यों ना प्रोफेशन बनाया जाए. तो मैंने अभी 2-3 ईयर से स्टार्ट किया है. बेकिंग एंड होम शेफ मैं दोनों हूँ. तो जब से सुनंदा ने इनवाइट किया तो बहुत अच्छा लगा. एंड थैंक्स टू यू सपना दी एंड सुनंदा.
Yes, Anshu, welcome here, and we are going to rock. Really, NCR में धमाल मचाना है. And Swati ji, Swati Porwal, she is from Udaipur and a very good baker. And she has got so many questions. Swati ji, please come and give your introduction. And if any queries, you can always ask. Hello. Yeah, hello Swati, please come forward and give your introduction.
Hello everyone. Hello ma'am, I am from Udaipur, Rajasthan. लॉकडाउन में मैंने केक बनाना सीखा है जस्ट यूट्यूब से. अभी तक मैंने अपनी कोई ट्रेनिंग, प्रोफेशनल ट्रेनिंग वगैरह कुछ भी नहीं की है, और बस मेरा पैशन था उसको.
यही तो जरूरी है.
और आपका प्लेट
आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं है स्वाति जी.
हेलो.
Yeah, now it is clear.
हेलो.
Yes, Swati, you're audible now.
मैम मैं उदयपुर राजस्थान से हूँ, और मैंने कोई प्रोफेशनल ट्रेनिंग नहीं की है. जस्ट अपना यूट्यूब से मैंने अपना सब कुछ केक का सीखा है, और वही मैं कंटिन्यू कर रही हूँ. अपने हिसाब से ही सीखती हूँ सब कुछ. और आपका प्लेटफॉर्म इसलिए चूज किया ताकि मुझे बहुत से लोगों से मिलने का मौका मिले और कुछ मैं अपना ग्रोथ भी कर सकूं.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. So that's so nice, स्वाति जी. आपने अभी लॉकडाउन में सीखा, लेकिन आप जिस तरह की केक्स एंड बेक्स बनाते हो, those are wonderful. Now I would like to invite
Thank
Pushpa.
you. Thank you so much.
I would like to invite Pushpa from Gujarat to give her introduction. Yeah, Pushpa, you're not audible.
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yeah, now you're audible.
Yeah. Good evening, all. I'm Pushpa Prabhu from Gujarat. I'm staying here for last 1 year. Before this, I was staying in Delhi for 6 years. So there I started as a home baker. Before that, I was working as a HR in M&M's company in Chennai. So after marriage, like I started as a home baker, and I started taking classes also in Delhi. So I was very happy whenever I used to make new dishes. I used to, whenever other people used to taste it, and they used to smile on me, and they used to appreciate me. So I used to feel very good. So yeah, it was somewhat like encouragement to me. So I started continuing my hobby, and I started doing installs, putting my product, and I'm very happy to be a part of your HBC. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Pushpa जी. Very true. खाना बनाना वो एक कला है ना, कि भाई जब बनाने का आनंद आता है तो खाने वाले को भी तभी आनंद आता है. और वो अगर प्रोफेशन बन जाए, one thing which is your passion, if you follow that, then you don't care about the time. Nothing, कुछ मैटर नहीं करता कि आप गर्मी में खड़े होके बना रहे हो. The all thing is matter is जब कोई सामने वाला खाता है और उसके चेहरे पे जो स्माइल आती है ना, वो उसी में मजा है. And if you earn from that, and that is going to make wonders.
Yeah.
Now, Mona, I would invite you to speak about yourself. You're not audible, Mona.
Hello.
Yeah, yes, we can hear you.
Hello everyone, myself Mona Vincenter. I'm from Pune. I'm MCOM MBA actually, and now I'm housewife. I have my two kids. दो बच्चों की मम्मी हूँ मैं. एक बेटा है, एक बेटी है, और जॉइंट फैमिली है. इन लॉज मेरे साथ में होते हैं. लेकिन 2 to 3 years से कुकिंग का तो पहले से ही शौक था. कुछ भी बनाते थे तो उसमें कुछ अच्छा करने की इच्छा रहती है. लेकिन जब से ये लॉकडाउन वगैरह शुरू हुआ, कोरोना आ गया, उस टाइम से केक बेकिंग, डोनट्स, कपकेक, केक्सिकल्स, चॉकलेट्स, उसमें बच्चों के लिए बना बना के इतना इंटरेस्ट आने लगा, काफी इंटरेस्ट आने लगा. फिर उसमें कुछ क्रिएटिविटी दिखाने लग गए. तो क्रिएटिविटी दिखाने से काम का बर्डन बिल्कुल फील नहीं होता था. घर में अगर काम भी कर रहे हैं, उसके साथ में बेकिंग भी कर रहे हैं, तो भी हैप्पीनेस आ रही है. बहुत एंजॉय करते हुए ये काम कर रहे हैं. फिर एक प्रोफेशनल स्टार्ट हो गया. जब आजू बाजू वाले लोगों ने देखे पिक्स वगैरह, तो उन्होंने ऑर्डर स्टार्ट कर दिए कि हमारे लिए एक बना दो, हमारे लिए एक बना दो. फिर जब से वो होने लग गया, तो 2 साल हो गए. 2 साल से काफी अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिलने लग गया है उसमें. रिस्पॉन्स अच्छे से मिलने लगा. फिर कुछ हार्डली 3 to 4 मंथ पहले सपना मैम का कॉल आया, उनसे मेरी बात हुई, तो काफी अच्छा लगा. उनसे बात होने के बाद में एक अच्छा उत्साह हो गया कि यार चलो इसमें भी हम थोड़ा और अच्छा करेंगे. अभी तक तो टाउनशिप के अंदर ही फेमस है, थोड़ा सा पुणे में भी फेमस है.
बिल्कुल मोना, बिल्कुल मोना. I think there should be a column called as Sweet Stories. सबकी अपनी कहानी है, how they got into cooking and how they got into baking. I think फुर्सत में कुछ वीडियोस रिकॉर्ड करके हमें पोस्ट करना चाहिए. And now I would invite Radhika to come forward and give her introduction.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Hello. Radhika? Yeah.
Hi everyone, I'm Radhika Talwar. I'm from Lucknow, the city of Nawabs. So kebabs तो famous है यहाँ पर, but okay. So first of all, just let me clarify. I am not here for myself. I am here for my better half. I am a content writer by profession, but I believe कि there are two things that tend to take you to heights of success. One is the passion, and other one is that motivation or the push you get. And many of us have been
I think there is some technical issue. I'll let Radhika continue later. I invite Shreya to come forward and give her introduction. Hi, Shreya.
Hi, everyone. Hello.
Hi.
So we have been I and my team, we have been here since the beginning of Home Bakers Club website. So we have been a part of Home Bakers Club, and it's our motto to bring this website to the panache that Home Bakers Club is planning to become in the future. सबके लिए एक inspiration हो ये website, usability की जगह से अच्छे से use कर सके, the city partners, the vendors, and also for us normal people who would be actually ordering once the website is completely ready and running, and we'll be ordering our favorite food. So उस हिसाब से कैसे करके इसको यूजर फ्रेंडली बनाया सके, हम इसको कैसे कैटेगोरिकली रख सके इसके प्रोडक्ट्स को, ताकि हम जैसे फूडी जो भी है बंदे यहाँ पे वो ऑर्डर कर सके बहुत इजी है. So this is something that we'll for the website, and also as I mentioned in the beginning कि हम लोग प्लान कर रहे हैं कि इसको लेके और भी आगे जाए, मोबाइल प्लेटफॉर्म में इंट्रोड्यूस करें. तो उसके लिए भी हम लोग सारे अपने वायरफ्रेम जॉट डाउन करने जो होते हैं ताकि यूजर फ्रेंडली बना सके, यूजर एक्सपीरियंस जो हो वो बहुत इजी हो सके, हैंड्स फ्री एंड हैसल फ्री हो सके. इसके लिए सारा जो प्रिपरेशन है वो हम कर रहे हैं अभी. एंड इसके साथ साथ AI बेस्ड, जैसे कि मैम ने बोले कि AI बेस्ड इम्प्लीमेंटेशन, चैटबॉट इम्प्लीमेंटेशन, ये सारी चीजें हो रहे हैं. So it will be something that once it is completely live and kickstarting, it will be something that everyone will be looking forward to. And for us foodie persons, it will be another addition to the bucket list where हम लोग order करेंगे घर में बैठ के safely, will enjoy the orders, and also will provide a platform for everyone who are looking out there to earn something via cooking delicious food.
Very true, Shreya, very true, very true. If you look at anyone, they look to me as a customer क्योंकि सभी को अच्छा खाना चाहिए. So every second person is our customer, and I think Radhika is back. Maybe some connectivity issues. Yeah, Radhika, now you can continue.
Yeah, hi, and really sorry everyone. I had the power cut, so disconnect हो गया था. So as I was saying that I'm here for my better half. He is
Maybe something good is cooking on it.
आई थिंक सपना, मुझे नहीं लगता कि कोई डाइटिंग कर पाएगा. इतने यमिलिशियस केक्स ये लोग बनाते, इतना अच्छा खाना बनाते, डाइटिंग भूल जाओ, वेट पुट ऑन होगा.
मुझे तो लगता है कि
मतलब अभी डेली फोटोग्राफ्स देख देख के ही वेट बढ़ रहा है.
मुझे देखना ना, देखकर खाने का मन करेगा. हाँ, कितना खाती होगी, चलो मंगाओ और खाते जाओ. No, ऐसी बात नहीं है.
ग्रेट कुक.
यहाँ पे हम डाइटिशियंस भी हायर करेंगे. We will give guidelines. We'll provide food which is more healthy, more nutritious.
करना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो पता चला हमें है ना वेट कंट्रोल की बहुत जरूरत पड़ने वाली है.
राधिका क्या बन रहा है? Radhika, what is happening for today's evening? Your inspiration and happy उनके लिए क्या बना रहे हो?
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm sorry, I missed the conversation.
We were enjoying. We were enjoying. Don't worry. We were thinking about
was it about me or what?
No, about your cooking with drizzles aa rahi thi अच्छी.
Okay. So this was all about I'm here for him. I just wanted to pursue what he loves the most. I wanted to start this as I wanted him to start this as a profession. It's like even if he's back at 10 after work and he finds कि आज लौकी बनी है, so he would say, no, I'm not eating this. He would just pick up a pan and tell me to chop 2 onions and 2 garlics, and believe me, he'll be ready with his dish within 10 minutes. So it's like it's his passion, and I just want him to be like take it as a profession. So I'm right from selecting the name to making the like Instagram accounts, emails, writing the contents, making the banners. So I have been doing it for him, and God willing, he will be starting his venture by next month. So just looking forward for the support from all of you, and let's see.
Great, Radhika. Looking forward to see you in our team soon, because we were so much interested. So you are here in the meeting, and I am sure that we are going to do wonders in Lucknow also.
Yeah.
So Rajeshri, I would invite you to give your introduction. She's from Mumbai.
Yes.
You're not audible, Rajeshri.
Hello.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
hi,
I am
Rajeshri.
audible.
हाँ सुनाई दे रहा है.
Hello.
Yeah, you're audible.
Hello.
Hello.
Ma'am, I am audible.
Yes, you're audible.
Yes, ma'am. Myself is Rajeshri Panchal. I am a post-graduation, and I am a housewife. I have 3 kids, 2 twins, daughter and 1 son.
Wow.
And I'm come in the stage in a home baker last 5 years, and I'm baking the cakes, cupcakes, all baking item.
So nice.
तो आपके साथ कांटेक्ट हुआ तो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी फॉर द होम बेकर्स क्लब टीम.
We are also very happy,
Yes,
Rajeshri, because you are a nice baker, and looking forward to do something good. And I would ask Shikha Dugar to unmute herself and talk about herself. Hello, Shikha.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yeah, hi, Shikha.
Hi, am I audible to everyone?
Yes, you're audible.
Okay, hi, how are you? How are you all?
Yeah, we all are fine.
Yes, myself Shikha Dugar. I'm from Jaipur. And yesterday only I got your contact from one of my friend, Monica. कल ही मुझे उन्होंने आपका कांटेक्ट दिया और मैंने इमीडिएट इफेक्ट से रजिस्ट्रेशन भी करा लिया. Basically, I am an assistant professor from the last 10 years in a college. और मेरा ये cooking and teaching both were my passion from childhood. और दोनों को ही मैंने profession में convert करना चाहा है. Cooking मैं भी last 2 years से कर रही हूँ और professionally basically. बाकी मेरे को बहुत शौक है अलग अलग cuisines को try करने का और professionally मैंने अभी last 2 years से start किया है और टीचिंग में लास्ट 10 इयर्स से कर रही हूँ. तो बेसिकली मेरा फोकस अभी गिफ्टिंग ऑफ द फूड पे है. मेरी यूएसपी इज गिफ्टिंग ऑफ द फूड. तो पूरा फूड को बेसिकली डेकोरेटिव पैकेजिंग के साथ हम लोग प्रोवाइड करते हैं. एंड आई ऑल्सो डू टेक द ऑर्डर्स ऑफ पार्टीज ऑल्सो. एंड बस.
So nice, Shikha. So many things. Which subject do you teach?
I teach economics and human resource management.
Wow, that's nice. So
yeah,
great to know. And party orders.
Yes, I'm ready to take.
Yeah, that is what we are planning to. हमारा focus यही है कि every city में अगर कोई Maharashtrian बनाता है तो that should be perfectly authentic Maharashtrian थाली. If anyone is expertise in Bengali food, they should be able to provide the party orders in every city. Like whichever city they are, so that we can focus more on party orders, kids' birthday party orders, etc. So we will discuss in next meeting. We'll discuss about that. We'll plan a menu. We'll fix a price for each city. So that we will list. So now I would like to invite Deepika ji to talk about herself.
Yeah. Hello everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible, ma'am.
Okay. Hello, friends. I'm Deepika from Jaipur, and it's been 36 years I have got married and had been a housewife till now. This lockdown taught we are Jain, so basically we move around food, Jennies, and we emphasize so much on good taste and food. So I had been seeing my mother and elders in the family cooking very tasty food. So maybe I inherited that, and my friends and family were very happy with my recipes, my dishes. So everybody insisted me that this should move forward from my home, should go to, I must reach other people for this. So I started, it's not even a year, in lockdown I started, and I feel this group is basically a baker's group. So am I an odd man out here? Because I'm dealing in spices.
No, ma'am, you're not odd man out. Why? Because कुछ भी बनाना हो spices तो चाहिए, उसके बिना कहाँ से
I
aroma
know,
आएगा?
because
Yeah.
this
So
is the, you
you-
know, the
you are-
earthy thing, the body, the Indian food get its body from the spices.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. In fact, you are going to supplement each and every home chef. और हमारा घर की चीज है तो हमें डिस्काउंट भी ज्यादा मिलेगा. So all the home chefs will
I'll
get
try
special
doing that.
discount from Deepika ji. We can get the spices from her.
I'll try doing that. So
Yeah.
I started this work at a very small scale, and I'm I'm making special spices, like not the basic spices haldi, dhania, mirchi, but special, like say sambar masala, chai masala, doodh masala, malga podi, like garam masala, all these shahi garam masala, all these spices I'm making myself in very hygienic conditions and using very good quality ingredients. So people are liking the taste, are liking the spices. I'm getting repeated orders, and my concern is to reach to maximum number of people. So I think I'm very hopeful with this platform. I think this platform is going to be very beneficial to me, and we are all going to work as a team. And uh, your appearance, your smile is so promising, Sapna ji.
Thank
I'm
you.
very sure we are
Thank
going
you,
to
Deepika ji. Thank you. So
really, we are going to take it forward.
yes, ma'am. We will do that. I want to take it forward once we launch it successfully and we get going. Maybe we can approach some good financer like Tata or something. And I think they will
Only
be
that
very happy to back up.
I know, I know. And
So, plans are
I
good.
just that there is a requirement. You said I have to get myself registered, or I have to get the food license from the government.
Yes.
Government food license. So
that is important.
I don't know the procedure for that. I
I
just
will
request you.
share the URL with you. You can apply it directly. It is just 100 rupees which the government is charging per year. Or if you require
Okay.
the help of our legal team, as Jay sir said and Mukesh sir is there, they are going to help you out with that. I will send you the document, go through it. You can take their help or you can apply directly as well. And anyone has got any queries to ask? कुछ पूछना है आप लोगों को?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so it was a nice talking to all of you. I think पहली बार मिल रहे हैं सभी से. Many have joined, but maybe next time we will discuss about the delivery things, packaging things. We will discuss in the next meet. Yeah, anyone has to ask anything?
Sapna, I just wanted to ask from Jay sir that many, bakers and chefs are requesting that we don't want to provide our PAN card number when we are giving our Aadhaar card number. They have some, this taxation ka chakkar and all, and GST numbers ke liye they're saying ki we don't want to give it because they haven't got only the GST numbers.
First thing is that Sunanda, GST is not compulsory. The module which we have made, our business model is something like we are trying to free all the home chefs from GST. So that is not compulsory. And let me tell you, give you the reason why PAN card is required. It is required for TDS reduction. Jay sir would be able to give you more details about it. So why PAN card is required while registering as a home chef? Can you please explain?
Actually, the PAN card is required for the TDS, and why we are not GST taking? Actually, as per the GST law, there is mandatory when we are selling any product through other person website. The GST is requirement mandatory. And जब यहाँ पे जो भी हमारे होम बेकर्स हैं वो मोस्टली हाउसवाइफ्स हैं, ठीक है, तो हम उन पे इम्पैक्ट नहीं डालना चाहते लीगल कंप्लायंसेस का, क्योंकि इस केस में ये मंथली आपको रिटर्न्स फाइल करनी पड़ेंगी एंड ऑफ कोर्स इट विल बी कॉस्ट फॉर ऑल. तो इसलिए हमने इसका ये वे निकाला था, दैट इज द एग्जम्पशन. तो हमने जो भी किया वो हमारे होम बेकर क्लब के नाम पे किया, सो कि जो बेकर्स क्लब हैं, जो भी उसमें टीम है, टीम के ऊपर हमने कोई भी लीगल कंप्लायंसेस नहीं छोड़ी. तो ये ईज ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस हो गया बेसिकली हाउसवाइफ के लिए. अदरवाइज उनको भी लीगलिटी से काफी डील करना पड़ता.
राइट. जय सर जो कह रहे हैं वो ये है कि अगर आप ऑनलाइन कुछ भी सेल करते हो तो GST मस्ट है, लेकिन क्योंकि हाउसवाइफ है, वी वांट टू एनकरेज देम. जो बिजनेस मॉडल ऐसा है कि जैसे कोई ऑर्डर आता है और यानी होम शेफ एक्सेप्ट करता है, व्हाट दे आर डूइंग इज इन अ मोमेंट, इन अ फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकंड्स, व्हेन दे एक्सेप्ट द ऑर्डर, they are selling the product to HBC, and through HBC it is sent to customers. So you are free from GST. We are taking care of that. We are taking that burden also. So that is only to encourage everyone to come forward and register here. So TDS deduction. Yeah.
Certificate. It is compulsory.
That is compulsory. Food license is compulsory. You can get the petty license, petty food license owners registration. That is more.
I have a FSSI certificate.
That you need to upload. Yes, that you need to upload. Anyone else? You got any queries?
No, that's it.
Yeah, I want to ask that I have FSSAI license, but I am not having GST, and I want to introduce GST into my business.
Okay.
So any lead which can help me for that? I want to take GST now so that it will be helpful for further corporate orders after this lockdown and all. So any help can I get from here?
Yeah, Jess, you need.
Sorry.
They want.
Pardon. Yeah.
Yeah.
She wants to take GST so that it is helpful further in corporate orders and all. So she wants to take GST. Any guidelines for that?
Ma'am, you may take GST with your name and can do the business and whatever you want in the with your GST. But meanwhile, currently, whatever you sell through HBC, there is no requirement of GST. If you are taking a GST as for your personal proprietorship, whatever your name, you may deal that. Because actually the reason is कि हम अगर इसको हम इस मॉडर्न को हमने जो पैटर्न तैयार किया है वर्किंग का, जिसमें हम सबको फ्री करना चाहते हैं GST से, क्योंकि डे टू डे कंप्लायंसेस हाउसवाइफ के लिए प्रैक्टिकल पॉसिबल नहीं है. तो हमने इस पे काफी डिस्कशन हुआ था, तो वो प्रैक्टिकल पॉसिबल नहीं है, इसलिए हमने इसको हाउसवाइफ के नजरिए से देखा कि जो घर की जो लेडीज हैं जो बेसिकली जो केक कुक करेंगी, तो उनपे हम लॉ की बर्डन, कंप्लायंस बर्डन हम नहीं डालना चाहते, तो हमने उनको वहां से फ्री किया. अगर आप करना चाहते हैं तो आप HBC के जो अलावा जो भी काम करेंगे आप उसमें वो कर सकते हैं. बाकी HBC का फिलहाल तो मॉडल यही है, जब हमारा बिजनेस बढ़ेगा, हमारा टर्नओवर बढ़ेगा, इंडिविजुअल आप सब लोग कैपेबल हो पाएंगे, तब हम उसका पैटर्न हम चेंज कर सकते हैं.